Glamourous! This is Irish Wong, your technical educator for G&G Salon Professional Philippines, and with me is Miss Suge. And welcome to another hair session!
Ma'am Shi, malamig na ang simoy ng hangin. Malapit na ang Christmas. Kaya meron tayong prepare sa kanila na Christmas collection from G&G Glamour.
Oh yes, ma'am. Actually, last time I saw the collection. It was just fully for the hair. But this time, we would like to show them. We collaborate our hair collection this season with our G&G nails.
Totoo yun, ma'am. Last year, we only did one collection. But for this year, we prepared 3 collections for you. Introducing our Glamorous Holidaze collections.
Models, we pre-lighten the hair first, ma'am, using our G&G LPP or the lightening powder. Ginamitan natin sila ng 9% and 6% and 3% for the lightening process. With our first model, yung ating green, we use Platinum 87 Light Matte Blonde and mix it with Green Booster for have an intense green reflect and cascade it using 1123 for a lighter shade on the ends. We leave it for 30 minutes.
For our second model, we use 766 for our base color. Ito yung ating medium intense red blonde with red booster.
We use balayage technique on this model and cascade the ends with 1145 for a lighter pink finish. We'll leave it for 30 minutes and rinse off.
So on our third collection, ito yung favorite mo, ma'am, yung ating blue.
For our third model, we use Platinum 1181 or Ultra Light Blue for the top crown color. We use blue plus 00 half and half or 1:1 mixing ratio for the insert blue, plus we use the 2/8 or blue black for the routines. We leave it for 30 minutes and rinse off.
As we have mentioned earlier, meron tayong kina-ordinate na G&G nail polish collection together with our hair collections. For the green colors, we use the 104N and meron tayong in-accent na 021 na gel color para hindi naman siya buong green lang. And on top of that, meron tayong nilagay na mirror chrome na color green. For our red collection, we use 33 on our base color and yung accent niya is 63. On top of that, ginamitan din natin siya ng mirror chrome na red and pink. So, ganito po yung itsura ng chrome natin. And of course, magpapahuli ba si Blue Collection, meron tayong ginamit sa kanya na gel polish, the 208 and with the accent of 207. On top of that also is the mirror chrome dark blue and light blue.
nakuha nyo yung mixing ratio, yung mga shades na ginamit. But of course, kung hindi pa rin naman, we are here to help you out to get to the collection, kung paano siya step by step.
So with our first model, we call it Evergreen. So if you notice, ang ganda ng pagka-green niya with cascading of light green on the ends. However, you can also play with this green color. Mas maganda siya if you will put some accent of violet and red or whatever color that will complement with the Christmas season. So if you notice, ang ganda ng pagkakalagay natin, ng pagkaka-accent ng ating mga kulay.
All on the line, I'm in love with your design.
Perfect with this Christmas season.
There's no way
And we call it Evergreen Collection.
that it couldn't be better. It's all that I ever thought.
For our second collection, we call it Fruit Berry Red.
All on the line, I'm in love with your design.
It's a very bright red, cascading with a light pink on the ends.
Love with your, there's no way to explain
Fruit Berry Red.
all that I ever thought.
Lastly, for our third model, we call it Winter Blue Collection. If you notice, a very wearable blue, shiny and soft hair still.
All on the line, I'm in love with your design.
This is our Winter Blue Collection.
Guys, we have shown you our glamorous holiday collection and I hope you've learned something from there. Again, pwede nyo kaming i-PM ni Miss Oge kung may na-miss kayo doon. Siyempre, we would like to help you with that, no? Wholeheartedly, no? PM nyo lang kami.
We will be gladly answer your
inquiries.
And then, of course, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, on our Instagram. So, don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Andun lahat ng ating videos, naka-upload na yan para updated kayo sa ating mga products.
And please watch out for our upcoming collections and probably we will be launching our online class specifically for the newbies, no? Yung mga na-miss yung mga training period bago pumasok sa salon, then we will have an online like from the hair science to basic hair color, we will be given.
So from the start, kung paano talaga
so, syempre dapat mag-umpisa ka doon. So watch out for that. We will notify everyone and please ask your agents about it. And guys, kung meron po kayong gustong content na pwede naming ituro ni Miss Oge o nung aming technical team, pwede namin gawin yon for you. And syempre, mas maganda yung nagkukulay habang nagsasalita. You can have a mannequin or mannequin head for instance or live model. We can do a live teaching just for you guys. So please,
just comment down kung ano yung mga gusto nyo pang makita na content na pwede nyo matutunan. Okay? So yun po. Again, we are the technical team of GNG Glamour Philippines. I hope you enjoy watching. See you again soon, guys.
Bakasyon na!
Ilang araw na lang, Pasko na. Merry Christmas and bye-bye. Thank you.
I'm Irish once again and this is Miss Oge.
Bye-bye po. Thank you.
Thank you. Bakasyon na! Ang hirap humugot. Ang hirap humugot ng smile uli. And today, I'm with Miss...
Ogie po. Glamorous Holiday Collections.
Okay.
Holidaze.
Collections, ha?
Holidaze Collection.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Glamorous Holidays Collection.
Go!
So, introducing our
Holidaze.
Glamorous nga.